Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am excited to bring to you guys an unboxing of the Longvidong AirPods case in pink color. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I fund everything on this channel myself. I'm a one-man show. If you appreciate that, all you got to do is like and subscribe and it helps me out massively. Let's look at this. Their website link is down in the description, so have a look at that. They do a lot of Apple Watch cases and cases for your AirPods and AirPods Pro, and they also do bands and stuff like that. So this is how it came. Okay, to be honest, the plastic is a bit underwhelming. It might be there just for protection purposes so the box isn't scratched, but I would personally give this plastic a miss. Just a bit of feedback for Longvidong. And certainly with the tapes, I think a bubble wrap around it is more than sufficient. And the second thing with the plastic, as you guys can see, there's a few sticky tapes here, so that makes life a little bit harder to open it up. So I think if without that plastic, it would give it a bit more premium look. Maybe let me open this up before I start talking again. So it's got a bit of warning there. Got this out of the way. Now I do appreciate that the box doesn't itself have any sort of seal, so that's the reason it might have that plastic on it on top of protection. But they can do something like where Apple does just a little bit of a sticky thing on both sides and you peel them off and that's good to go. So this box, to be honest, straight off, I feel like it's a bit of a inspiration. It's taken a let's say page out of the book of Louis Vuitton. It's got that Louis Vuitton feel to it. Even the inscriptions, if you look at the inscription, so it's LV AirPods 1 G Pink. Okay, so it's got that bit of inspiration there happening. So let's open this up. The cardboard and the box is cardboard and it's quite nicely made, but at the same time it's got a recycled feel to it. I'll find out for you guys. It's got a really nice looking introduction to it, and it's talking about how it's crocodile embossed leather. Okay, this is just basically to stop the thing from getting wet. So that's the case. That's not too impressive. Okay, little attention to detail. Now this doesn't feel too bad, although the stitching over here would need a bit of a better job on both sides around the curvature. I do appreciate it's quite hard to get it right, but here it's perfect. If we can have this form going symmetry throughout the case, it'll look really nice. So they've got it right on this side. As you guys can see, there's a curvature here happening, whereas on especially on this side, if you look at both, this looks a bit crooked. Okay, I don't know if this is the one-off case happening like this. So that's basically the case, and I love how it's got this nice velvety silky cloth in there, and it's quite soft as well to protect it from damage. Let's put it on an AirPod case and see how it looks like. Okay, we're back and I've got a bit of a zoomed in view. Okay, so these are the AirPods 2nd generation with normal charging case. Okay, so I think the LED light is in the front and this cutout always goes at the back so it can open up. So let's put it in. That's really easy and gentle going in, and not that easy to come out, which is what you want. You don't want it to just slide off. And yeah, now most cases that I've used, they have a bit of a sticky substance over here or a tape and things like that where they will stick on top of the lid. So let's see how this fares. Now this has, as you could hear, it's got quite a bit of a click to it, and I think this just stays on, which is what I prefer. Because for example, if you have an issue, which I did with my AirPods Pro, and I had to send them in for repair, after it was repaired, I was given a replacement one. I would have liked to take the bottom and top part off, but because it had that sticky residue on it, when I took it off, the whole thing just came off and it wasn't very nice. So this is good to see that you can replace this. If you were sending it in for repairs, you could just take this off and do it that way. So that's basically it, guys. What do you guys think about it? I'd like to do a review in a couple of weeks and tell you how I went. It's got its logo here as well. It again looks a bit Louis Vuittonish. So L is kind of going through the D. Okay, and yeah, looks nice. All right, thank you so much for watching it to the end, guys. I really appreciate it. Take good care. Bye bye.